Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome back to the Site Smart Talk. So in the podcast, we are talking about the construction problems. So today, we have a representative from Hazami Construction Sdn Bhd. Just landed a 12-story high-end condominium in the Klang Valley. So because of the high-end project, in the construction problem, we can just not say okay lah. It's okay lah. So we just want to say because of the client want a nice end product. So today the representative will talk about the construction problems. Without further ado, we will begin with our representative introduction.
I'm Hanizah binti Shamsuddin as Project Integration and Performance Analysis.
Hi, my name is Farisah Hanizah as a TQM and PDCA specialist.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Hairi as a quality management specialist.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hazami bin Muhammad Azman Bong and as the safety and health specialist.
So thank you guys for your brief introduction about yourself. So today we are asking about one big question. How do you actually manage the quality and safety properly from the start until the handover of the project without a chaos on the site? Okay, we will break this into the three simple parts, which is the QMS, TQM and TQM using the PDCA and safety and health on site. So let's start with our first member, which is Muhammad Hairi. From your experience, when people say QMS, what should contractor really focus on?
Yo, good question, Mirza. Because many people hear QMS and immediately think files. But a proper quality management system is not about paperwork for sure. It's about planning quality before problems happen. There are 4 key things contractor must get right. First, the quality policy. This is basically management saying yes, quality manners, and no, we are not cutting corners. If the boss doesn't care, trust me, no one on site will. Second, the quality manual. This explains how quality is managed overall, who checks what, how documents are controlled, and how audits are done. Usually align with ISO standard. Third, and this is most important for site people, the project quality plan as a PQP. This is where theory meets reality. Inspection, checklist, method statement, mock-ups, approval flow, especially for concrete works, waterproofing and finishes. And last but not least, QA/QC as a quality assurance prevent mistake. Quality control catch mistakes. You need both. Like wearing a seatbelt and having brakes. For high-end condominiums, strong QA/QC is crucial if you want good classic scores and fewer defects complaints. But honestly, even the best system fails if people don't buy into it, and that's where TQM comes in.
So basically, based on our Hairi explanation before, the QMS just give us the rule, but people still need to follow them. So Farisah, how does a total quality management actually change behavior on site?
So TQM is really about culture, unlike QMS which focus on system. TQM focus on people. So it encourage everyone, which are project managers, site supervisors, subcontractors and also suppliers to take ownership of quality. So the most practical way to apply TQM is through the PDCA cycle, which are plan, do, check and act. So to plan, we have to set clear quality and safety targets, which define KPIs and prepare method statements and training plans. So to do, we need to carry out work according to approved methods using trained workers and proper supervision. So to check, we need to monitor results through inspections, audits and KPI reviews such as defect rates and also rework levels. And for the last one, which is ACT, we need to address root causes, improve procedures, and also retrain teams so problems don't repeat. A common issue on construction sites is that KPIs are recorded but not used. When PDCA is applied properly, data actually drives decisions. So this approach also supports safety because consistent, well-planned work is usually safer works. So that leads us directly to safety management.
Okay, from Farisah just explained this now, it's all true. There are no point to argue about that. But bad quality often creates a dangerous situation on site. So Hazami, you guys just said that you just land a 12-story high-end condominium. So what safety issues should we really worry about that part?
For high-rise projects, safety risks are no joke. Main hazards include working at height, falling objects, lifting operation, electrical work, temporary structures, and heavy machineries moving everywhere, but sometimes all at once. That's why Exhauston need a strong safety and health management systems, supported by a safety and health management plan. These include hazard identifications, risk assessment, permit to work systems, scaffold inspection, lifting plans, PPE enforcement, housekeeping, and emergency response. Regular safety audits are important. It is to align with SHA, SSIC, and local requirements like CIS 10. But here's the real truth. Safety rules alone don't stop the accidents, but people do. When the site leaders walk the site, talk to the workers, and actually stop the unsafe work, safety culture improve fast. And safety works best when it coordinated with a quality and site planning, not treated as the separate department.
So quality, culture, and safety all need to move together. That's right?
Yeah.
So Hanizah, how do these pieces combine to improve overall project performance?
When quality and safety are managed separately, gaps appear. Common challenges include poor drawing control, inconsistent material inspection, weak benchmarking, and unclear responsibility among client, contractor, and consultants. These issues affect classic performance, increase rework, and creative safety risks. To improve performance, Exhauston should integrate systems, for example, combine quality and safety audit, align inspection checklist with classic and chassis elements, and ensure drawing revision are clearly communicated before work start. Roles must be clear. Clients set inspection, consultants and coordinate and monitor, and contractor control site execution. When PDCA is applied across quality and safety together, improvement become measurable and continuous.
Okay, thank you guys for your explanation. So this is my part. I have a question about your company. Okay, if a contractor can only improve one quality practice immediately on site, so no extra budget, no fancy system, what should it be?
Chill. Mirza, chill. Honestly, consistent inspection and doing them yearly. Most defects don't happen because people don't know how to build. They happen because no one check at the right time. Simple daily or weekly inspection with supervisor actually signing off and following up can reduce rework a lot. You don't need more paperwork. Just discipline. Check before your pour, check before your close, and check before your handover. That's my answer.
Okay, my one honest question about why do safety rules sometimes still get ignored even when everyone know it is?
Because people follow behavior they see, not rules they hear. If supervisor rush work, ignore PPE, or work past unsafe acts, workers will do the same. But when leaders stop work, correct unsafe behavior, and show their care, safety improve very fast. Safety culture is built on the example, not the posture.
Okay, from your experience, what's the biggest mistake people make when trying to apply the TQM and PDCA on construction site?
So the biggest mistake is treating PDCA like a report, not a habit. Many teams plan and do, they even check but they never act. If a mistake keeps happening and no one changes the method, training or supervision, that's not PDCA, but that's just recording failure. Continuous improvement only works when people are brave enough to admit, okay, this way didn't work, let's fix it. So that's all from me.
Okay, from a performance view, what happens when quality and safety are managed properly together?
You get a fewer surprise, less rework, fewer delays and better coordination, and even cost control improve. Quality and safety are often seen as extra work, but in reality they reduce chaos. A well-managed site is usually a safer site and also a more profitable one. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, let's wrap this up. Successful project don't rely on just one system. The QMS gives structure, TQM build the right culture, and safety help management protect people and productivity. So for hazard stone construction, integrating all this means fewer defects, better classic score, and safer sites. So thanks. That's all for our today episode. Thanks to our panel, which is you guys, and thank you guys for listening, and see you guys next time.
Is the loneliest number that you'll ever